Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is VZR Audio. VZR Audio at VZR Audio, you saw a massive opportunity to bring a new approach to the acoustic design of headphones and microphones, one based on our team's incredible experience in designing and building audiophile speakers and their expertise in sound spatialization to specifically address the issue of accurate and natural 3D audio. In this way, they ensure every meticulously designed nuance and detail is preserved so that listener can have the acoustic experience as intended by the artists, producers, and creators. VZR products are proudly designed, developed, and engineered entirely in the USA, with corporate headquarters located in beautiful Ithaca, Washington. VZR team was able to create the remarkable VZR model, one because of their unique combination of expertise in acoustic design, audio product design, audio production, and 3D audio spatialization. A true audio pioneer, our co-founder Victor Vizcaino has designed and built countless high-end consumer electronics audio products. Victor founded Trade Rose Music with Mark Levinson, and their speakers and amplifiers garnered praise from critics and audiophiles alike. Red Rose customers Steve Jobs recruited Victor to create and lead an audio research laboratory charged with radically improving the overall acoustic quality of the Apple products. This resulted in the development and production of many critically and commercially successful products. Victor also served as the principal acoustic engineer for signature Apple audio products like the iPod Hi-Fi speaker system, in-ear headphones, and the ubiquitous AirPod and iPhone inbox headphones. Victor applied his 30-plus years of expertise towards developing the many innovations, including crosswave, that are included in the VZR Model 1. Victor currently serves as VZR CEOs and CDO. VZR co-founder Michael Hannon has 20-plus years of experience in both film and game audio productions. Mike began his career assisting at Hans Zimmer's Media Ventures and Remote Control Productions. He parlayed this experience to enter the world of games, joining the THQ as a sound designer supervisor. Mike Lee led the build out of a world class sound studio at THQ's Digital Studio in Phoenix, Arizona, where he was responsible for shipping three AAA games. Kylie, share